Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Peaches October if this is your first time here. Today's video I will be doing a quick wig install, and if you are one of the girls that don't know how to install your hair and you want to get it done really quick, this video is for you, so keep watching. This is the wig that I'm installing today. I'll first of all take my powder brush. I'm using my powder just to make sure that the wig blends into my skin, and I'm using this Makeup Forever powder today. You want to add the powder all in front of the lace. So now I'm going to put it on. I haven't even laid it down. It already looks like So this is just a quick overview of how you can lay your lace down, okay? So I'm gonna make sure that it is in the middle first of all. So I'm gonna take this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond, and I will go ahead and spray it on this. Well, let me start from the front. I'll spray it right here. Just right on my hairline. And I will turn on my blow dryer. It is not too dry, but I want to move on and cut the lace. So I cut the lace from right here, but let's see if we can pull my hair to the front first. I like to cut my lace on, you know, like cut it this way in order to get it to where I want it to be, as far as cutting it, so that will be easier to manipulate, I would say. This is just a new beginner's trick. Cut it like this and then cut every side bit by bit. Pull the hair back and start cutting away. You're not cutting it straight, just go kind of like a jagged way, and that's basically so you don't have like a straight line in front of your hair. And when I get here, I'm going to use the scissor to cut my ear tab out. So we'll do that to this side as well. Let me just cut the ear tabs out. Then that will make it a little bit more easier. I'll just cut the smallest I can. I don't want to cut too much out before I make a mistake. We're gonna continue cutting off this ear tab right there. And whatever one I don't cut out good, I'm gonna use the scissor to kind of aid me to cutting that out the right way. So I lift it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go something like an angle. Oh, I got too deep. And just get that side out. So now it is behind my ear. And that's how it looks. So I'm gonna go like this, so, and keep cutting out the lace. I've cut the full size like this so that it's not too hard to cut out the lace. And like I said, this is a beginner's video, and so this will be one of the easiest ways to get our lace cut. Now I'm gonna pull it back a little bit and start cutting. So you keep cutting it a jagged way. So this is how it's looking so far. So this is what I'm gonna do. Used to this spray at all, but let's see, let's give it another try. I don't want to use too much. I just get my Nairobi spray foam. So I'm just gonna remove this elastic band that I put on. That was just to help secure the hair. I'm just combing out the hair so that it doesn't look so artificial. So this is the finished look on my hair. It was a little bit difficult manipulating this hair because of this gel, this spray that I use. I didn't like it, or either I'm not used to using a spray. You know, got to be glue is my jam. I roll with it anytime, and so this was a little different to deal with. It kind of made some part of my hairline here white, and I didn't like it, but it is what it is. But however, I'm feeling this hair, and so this is my hair. This is how soft it is, and you guys can see the sheen in this hair. Ooh, excuse me, midnight blue killing it, man. This is so gorgeous. The hair is so beautiful, and this is the straight hair that I kind of curl a little bit, so that, you know, I just put some curls in it so that it will look very voluminous, and it looks voluminous, and I like it. What do you guys think about this hair? And what do you guys even think about the eye look that I'm wearing? I'm gonna have this eye look posted. This is the Juvia's Place In Love palette. I think they call it I Love Ice palette on my eyes, and I have a tutorial link right down below, or I will have a tutorial link right down below. But yeah, so this is just how you want to do your hair when you don't have the expertise to do your hair, when you are not that person that really slay the hair. You just use just your spray. Even though this spray didn't work out so well, but that doesn't mean that there are not other spray. Like I said, it got to be free spray, works very well. This has been everybody go-to, but for some reason it did not work for me today. But that doesn't mean that it is not a good spray. You probably will hear me raving about this spray pretty soon. Once I get the feel of it, once I start using it, get used to using it, I think I will love it. And so I'm not saying it's a bad spray, I'm just saying it's not like the got to be free spray. But other than that, everything looks good. I like the hair, I like the way it is holding my hair down. And yeah,
that's it for this video. Yes, girl, give it some size. Give it some size. Here you go again. Come on, give it. Let's go. Yes. Yes, one more time. And that wink, the $1 million wink. There you go. Anyway, enough of that. I enjoyed filming this video. Really, I really did. And I hope you guys enjoy watching too. And I'm doing this all for you guys. So if you are enjoying my videos that I have been uploading recently, kind of leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Tell me what videos to film, and I'll have those coming for you guys. I really appreciate your love and support, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Take care and Happy New Year once more. And I'm wishing all of you guys a prosperous New Year. Bye now from Peaches October. Love you guys. Bye.